how much I make on Udemy in my first month. If you're interested in that, then keep watching this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Pashvika. This channel is particularly made for the artist, creative entrepreneur, talking about the print-on-demand websites and online passive income ideas, online art business ideas, a little bit about the online entrepreneurship. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Udemy and how much I make on Udemy in my first month on selling my courses on the Udemy. So if you're really interested in that, then keep on watching. And also guys, before moving on to the main topic, if you really enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be get notified about it. And guys, you know that I upload daily videos from few days. So you'll be get notified about it whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So now let's get started with today's topic. Now today's topic is about the Udemy. For those guys who don't know exactly what is the Udemy, let me give you a little bit context. Udemy is an online course marketplace. So that's just a simple statement, but I will explain you in depth so that it can be clear to you for those of you guys who don't know about it. Okay. So Udemy is a place where you can just place your courses, or where you can put your courses, and that platform will going to handle the marketing and promotion of your courses. And whenever someone purchases your courses, you'll be get commission on when someone buy or purchase your courses, you'll be get commission on your courses depending on the sales you made. So that's basically the Udemy. It's an online course marketplace. And it's kind of related to the print-on-demand, guys. Like, you don't need to handle promotion and marketing. You don't need to handle the customer delivery and all that. You just need to like place your courses, just make a course, record a course, and place your courses on the Udemy. And when someone purchases your course, you'll be get commission from per sale you made on the courses. Now, for like it's especially for the beginners who don't have followers, subscribers, who don't have email marketing, or anyone who is there for buying their courses, who don't know how to market their courses, who don't know to marketing, promotion, and who don't know everything about it, but you want to make course and you want to sell course, and this platform is exactly for you, because you don't need to do anything. If you don't have followers, subscriber, if you don't know marketing and promotion, that's completely okay. You don't need to do it one. They will automatically going to do for you. So that's all about the Udemy, guys. And now I want to tell you guys why Udemy is like what courses you can make on Udemy and what you can sell on the Udemy. Like, you can make any courses on their platform, and they have almost like more than 50,000 plus courses on their platform. So you can see they are so bigger in their marketplace and all that. So I have a website on my phone, so I'm just gonna read about what kind of courses you can make on the platform, so it will be clear. And then we will going to move on to my story about making money onto the Udemy on my first month and all that. Business, finance, accounting, IT software, office productivity, personal development, designing, marketing, lifestyle, photography and video, health and fitness, music, teaching and academic. So you can basically make any course related to any niche or industry and can upload it on the Udemy, and Udemy will going to do marketing and promotion and all that. So you can see there are many courses in different niches and industries. You can even make a drawing course, an art course, a digital art course, or even you can make a business course like how to sell a t-shirt, or how to get started with a print-on-demand website, how to make designs for print-on-demand websites, how to make design for stickers, for t-shirts and all that. You can make anything, whatever skill or knowledge you have. You can even make the cooking courses, lifestyle courses, productivity courses, spiritual courses, like whatever you can think of, you can make a course on Udemy, and you can go check on their platform and see what type of courses they have on the platform. So I'm putting the link of the Udemy in the description box below. You can check it out very well. Now let's move on to the another part of this video. That is me talking about my story. Now, for the context of you guys, when I get started with the Udemy was in April 2020 of this year itself. And when I was getting started with the Udemy, I don't have any knowledge. I don't have any experience in making any type of course or in selling courses, in promoting, marketing, and also I don't have any subscribers or any followers, and I was like complete beginner in the course industry. So That's why I get started with the Udemy on the April 2020. And when I was getting started in the April 2020, I just uploaded my one course. That was a course on the drawing course, and that was how to draw with the graphite and pencil. So that was the drawing course that I uploaded on April. I don't exactly remember the date, but I uploaded in the April. And in the beginning I kept that course for free because I don't know even that whether someone will going to buy that course or not, or whether that course is really valuable or not. So I just kept it for free to see 15 days. That course, almost like I had like more than 500 students enrolling in that course, and I was getting reviews about that course. People were actually liking that course, actually enjoying that course, and I was like totally shocked because I wasn't expecting that much result from that course uploading on the Udemy, because I wasn't having any experience and I was like completely beginner in the course making. I don't have any experience. I just made the course based on drawing, which I know and which I love doing it. So I just make the course and I just uploaded it, and without having all keyword research or title description on all that, nothing did I then, because I wasn't having experience. So in the April, I uploaded in 15 days. It was free, and I was getting almost like 500 students enrolling in my course. And then I was getting reviews and feedback and all that. So I like uploaded late April of 2020, and then in May I just like, you can do whatever. If you want to sell your course for free, you can do that as well. But if you want to convert your free course into paid course, you can convert that as well. But I guess like you can only convert it for only once. You can't like do it multiple different times. You can just do it for once. Like if you have just uploaded your course, and when it's live there on the Udemy, you can sell it for free, and then you can just, for the one time, you can convert it to the paid version. And if you do it the multiple times, like the video into paid version in the May of 2020, and in my first month from that course, I made like into the paid version, and I was seeing many people were joining my course, were enrolling in my course. So I made so I made more courses and I uploaded them in the May itself. So in the April, I only have one course, and that was only for free. So obviously I won't be making money in the April, and I uploaded in the late of the April, and that was free course. So nobody will ever going to purchase that course, and I won't be making money from it. But in the May, I converted into the paid course, and I uploaded few more courses. Like I uploaded 2 or 3 more courses, and in the May, I actually made like $19.86 on Udemy, which is really insane for me. I know for many of you guys who are in the course industry, who are selling digital online courses, it would be a very little income. But for me, it was a big income because I wasn't expecting any sales for my courses on the Udemy in my first month itself, without any promotion, any marketing, without any keyword research, without any title description organized, without any experience in anything, without any followers and subscribers and all that. So for me, that was a big one because I wasn't having anything. Like I was completely started from scratch, and when you are completely started from scratch, even if you make a single dollar in that month or in that week, you would be very happy for that. So for me, $19.86 was really an amazing one for me, which I really enjoyed. That was the drawing. So I just make the course and I just publish it. And when I see that people are actually enrolling in that course when it was for free, and I was getting good reviews about that course, so I just converted into the paid version in the May. And in the May, I uploaded 2 or 3 more courses. So I wholesale made $19.86 in May of 2020, and that make on the platform and all about it. So like this was really, really wonderful for me. Although there are many people say that Udemy takes so much cut of your courses, and they are selling the courses at such a low rate, which is not feasible, which is not worth it. But for me, I want to say that when I was getting started from completely scratch, without having any experience, without having anything from my side, without having any followers, subscriber, anything like that, it was wonderful for me for getting sales for my course within the first month. And it was really, really wonderful getting those reviews and feedback from the students who were actually joining those courses. That was really wonderful, and that was the amount that I made in my first month selling my courses on the Udemy. And for those of you guys, I want to say, if you don't have a follower or subscriber, if you don't have any experience in course making, or any promotion, marketing, anything like that. But if you want to earn passive income online by selling your courses, then you can check out these marketplaces where you can just place your course and they will going to market and promote your course and everything. And whenever someone purchases your course, you'll be get paid out by that. So you can check these platforms out. There are many platforms like that. One is the Udemy, another one is the Skillshare. Platforms are there which allow you to place your courses and all that, and you don't need to do anything. But if you want to do promotion marketing for your subscriber, for your followers, you can do that as well. But I didn't do it for my first month, and in fact till today I'm not doing any promotion for my courses, but I'm still getting money out of it each month. So it's really wonderful, and it's really one of the main way in which you can earn passive income, because you have just made the course for once and you have just uploaded it, and on each month whenever someone purchases it, you are just getting money out of it. You don't need to make it again and again. So that's really amazing way. And you can make courses on anything, guys, literally anything. Go check out their platform and see what courses they have. Take an idea what people are selling. Just don't copy anyone, but take an idea what they are selling. And yeah, about Udemy, that they sell courses at a low rate, low ticket rate. So for few guys it would be a big trouble, because you think that they are selling at high ticket rate and all that. No, they are selling courses at low ticket rate. Actually people buying courses on their platform for low rate. So amazing when you don't have anything on your side and when you don't know what to do and how to do it, and you can just take your phone and you can just because Udemy is selling their courses at a low rate and they are not getting much money out of the course per sale. Like per sale of the course they are not getting much money. So most of the people don't like this way, this platform, but I like it because it's another way in which I can earn passive income online, and I don't need to promote or I don't need to do anything on my behalf. It's just working the way it has to be. Like each month I'm getting money. I don't promote it, I don't market it, I don't do anything. Just I made it and just I uploaded it on the Udemy. That's all I have done, and I can see that it's really working for me and I'm earning. So that's what the purpose of this video, to share with you guys my story of making like few dollars, or like $19.86 on Udemy itself in my first month, and from just 3 to 4 courses. That's it. Like I didn't made like 10 courses or 15 courses in my first month or anything like that. I just have 3 to 4 courses live on the Udemy in my first month, because on April 2020 I saw, when I uploaded the first course in late April 2020, I saw that in 15 days I was getting so many students signing up for my course and getting feedback from that. So I thought of making more courses in the first month itself to get more money out of it. So I made like, I was approximately 3 to 4 courses was live on Udemy in my first month, and from all those courses I made $19.86, and for which I didn't do any promotion, my tricks and how to do and how to proceed with course making or anything like that. Please let me know in the comment section below. I'll make another video for that thing as well. But for this video, that's it. But if you want to know more about the Udemy, the tips and tricks, how you get paid out, and each and everything about depth about the Udemy, so let me know in the comment section below, because I'll make another video for you guys talking about more tips and tricks, and so far my experience on the Udemy and little bit more depth and all about it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be getting notified about it. And that's it for today's video. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.